Hello guys, bought the Asus Hyperion here. This is their full tower. So yeah, I just decided to buy a full tower just for the future. So I'm gonna move my old build into this and see how it goes. But so this is their full tower. I'm just gonna quick do an unboxing. Sorry for my throat, just got a bit of a cold. Okay, let's start. So this must be some accessories and that, yeah. Don't know what these are, some extensions or something. Yeah, just a little bit more brackets and that's about it, but we'll look into the accessory box anyway. This is all the instructions, warranty card, everything. And now we can go straight in. Okay, look, they're using this type of foam. I'm going to show you. And they're using this cardboard as well, which is good. The previous one didn't have that. That's why some people's ones are getting damaged. Now looking from it, this thing's big. I'm gonna try taking it out myself. 20 plus kg. Yep, so that was heavy to take out, but just be prepared if you're buying this. When your build is done, it's gonna be very heavy. But let's have a look. Let's put it more on an angle. Ready? Of course, it's tied. Oh, that looks sick. Just having a full look at the moment. You know what? Let me get my camera. Looks crazy. Some people might like it, some might not. This is the best part here. These, you can charge your phone or whatever device, 60 watt in each of these, or 20 gig. And then you got 3.0s, 4 of them, which is good. And then the power. And you control the LEDs from here, just like the previous Helios. But it's definitely gonna have better airflow as well. I mean, look how open that is. That's proper open in there. But I'm gonna have a proper look at it right now. But let's have a look at the top quickly. It's looking crazy. So these are made out of die cast, which is good. It's going to be strong. It can handle about 80 kg. Well, that's a plenty of space in there. Didn't put my light on. It's not that great. Plenty of space. Plus, I like that, you know, the new design where you can put your power supply. So let's try that. So where you put your tools, your screws or whatever you got in free. And these are good. I mean, you can hold your GPU from that. Put your big EATX in there if you wanted to. And the good thing is it comes with 4 140mm fans right at the front here as well. 3 here and 1 there. But I'm going to change them and put my RGB ones on. And you could put big rads up there as well, about 420 each. 4 up there, 420 I mean up there and at the front, up to you. And this is RGB by the way, but I'm going to put 3 fans here. So that's going to be good. I think you can take these out. Yep, that's good. But this case looks crazy. I mean, it's my first full tower as well, but it just looks crazy. I know it comes with on plastic things at the back. I'm going to show you, just like the Helios. The only problem is it's quite tinted, a bit too much. Quickly get my light. Oops. So you got that plastic thing, but it looks quite tight. This plastic part here. We've got, it's not bad space, just looks a little bit tight to me, but we shall see. You got that as well. Put your fans and your RGB through it, through that little Asus commander, just like the Corsair one. But that's about it really. I mean, you can put your GPU vertical easily now and everything as well. But yeah, it's looking nice. It's just, the only problem is I think there's definitely going to be cable management problem. I think it's a little bit cable management problem. It looks tight. I mean, if you take that, what's it called, that plastic part out, then you'll definitely have more space. But that's a big gap through here. That's one thing what's putting me off. I know it's good, you're going to get better airflow, but a lot of dust is definitely going to go through there. But anyway guys, this is my quick unboxing. The build is done in the full tower. As you can see, the panels there at the back. I'm just going to leave it there, it looks quite good. I put 3 120mm fans there anyway. But I'm going to quickly talk about the case and show you in a minute. It's a very nice case, looks so good, futuristic, everything looks good. Build quality is nice as well. One thing, it's got too much plastic, but you'll go with it anyway. I mean, it just looks great. The only downside is it's a full tower, right? There should be more space for the cables, as I use big hard drives as well, and then the 2.5s as well, and there's a lot of wires. And for a massive tower case like this, should have a lot of space. So I really struggled with the cable management, but anyway, I managed to build it. But for a big case, you feel like there's going to be space, but looks like they only focus on the design mainly. But anyway, I'm going to show the case and my build, and we'll go from there. So yeah, this is my build. Yeah, just let me know in the comments what you think, and would you be buying this case? I mean, I love it, it looks good. It's just the cable management area, it's a headache. But if you got less components, yeah, I think you'll be fine. Plus the magnets are weak as well. But yeah, you never know, this might be your next case. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.